I bought all these plastic clips and everything, and I know on previous videos I used like metal clamps, and they seem to work out pretty good. But I went ahead and bought these plastic ones, and I'm going to try them out and see how they go. And so far, so good. These are certainly making things easier to mount it up. And we also like these ones too. They work out kind of nice. So we like that ones, and we like these ones. So far, so good. So here's where we're at. Now I wanna mount the Paxtomi to a concrete wall, and really this isn't gonna help us too much. I guess that is possible if I drill a hole and put some wood in there. I guess I can nail that in. So I'm not so sure. I mean, it is possible. I can get that done. This really doesn't do anything. I mean, couldn't see how we can use that in any way. So guess what? Guess what we're back to? There it is. Mountain Paxtomi to a concrete or a cinder block wall. I'm going to use a metal clamp. Now the guy I'm working with, he loved these things. He said that made it so much easier. So definitely, we're going to go with them when we're mounting into wood studs or floor joists. They really work great. And when we went across the joists, going across them, same thing. The plastic ones work great. But I'm still stuck, so any of you guys want to give me some advice on that? How to best handle? Is it something we just want to leave with no clamp? Is there another clamp that I'm missing that's not available at the home center? Otherwise, that's me. Sorry. Pretty good. We'll do the other one too. Alright, one more and the damage is done there. Metal clamps on plastic pipe. And it'll last forever. So with the metal, I put those metal clamps on that. Now, all joking aside, I know it's a big deal with plumbers and everything, but how would you handle it? How would you do that? Would you just let that go? Because a lot of times I run on cinder block walls, decent lengths. So I would need something to mount them on there. And I'm not running wood down the wall. That's not going to happen. So we kind of need to mount directly to the wall. That's a little bit loose there. So anyone's opinion on that would be greatly appreciated on how to handle that. And I'm just putting the tape on here. Yeah, that's a nice way to do it. So as far as the plastic hangers go, they work great, and I'm going to use them from now on. As far as, you know, that facet going onto wood or anything like that, they all work really good, and definitely a lot better than, you know, the way I was doing it before with all the metal clamps. But all those ones I use metal clamps on, I still own all them properties, so if there's any issues, I'll let you know. But don't kind of let me know. And even if it's not in my lifetime, I'll leave my kids directions on if there's any kind of wear in the pipe, which for the past 6 years or so there haven't been. But if somewhere down the road, 20, 30, 40 years, I'll leave directions with my kids to update that video with the information that we had a problem, and don't count on any updates. There it is. There's our installation there, and we came up a little short on our clamps, so I got to get more of them. But here's what we did, and we tied into here. Added 2 valves on there on the PEX tubing that was already here, and that's a different system there. I guess plumbers did that, and if you see, they used a really nice plastic base. So the plumbers that owned this building before, the owners before hired plumbers to come in, and they used those plastic bays. Not so sure about that. And I'm assuming these clamps, they work pretty good, but I don't really know. I've never used them. As of right now, with the 3IC and the 6-ohm IC, they're holding so far. So thanks for watching.